Okay, we'll start the concept. Even if anybody not understandable, try to interact with me in Telugu. I will also try to interact with Telugu, but 99% I will go with English only. Maybe you may easily understand my English. That is not a complex for you. Even that to not understandable, interrupt me. I'll come to Telugu. Okay, right. I opened my notepad. I think MS Paint. Is it visible for you or not? Please respond. Is visible, I think, right?
Yes, sir.
Our concept is DevOps. Please try to give the answers. What is DevOps? Anyone? What is DevOps? Whatever you know, either right or wrong, don't worry. Your interactive session is very, very important. If I go my way, if you are keep on listening, you may forget many things. If you interact with me, you may learn many more things. Even if you participate in interview, you can try to give the answer at least. Here, DevOps is a short term, right? Developer. Try to tell me. Developer. Come. Operations. Operations. Developer. Come. Operations. Actually, in real time, two teams now. How many teams are there? One is the development team. In general words, developer team. Or I may call it as DEVELO, development team. I'm going to here operations team. Operations team. Anyone just observe and tell me what is the general duties of development team? Anyone respond? Those who interact with me regularly, they will get the job within 3 months. If those who are not interacting with me, even after 1 year also, they may not get job. This is the simple clue I am giving. What is the general duties of development team?
Developer team means if you give me the any website, that website may be developed.
Development
I think
means writing the code. That's all right. Writing the code. Even you take HTML, there also you need to develop something. Development means writing the code. Code means simply we are writing programming. Are you agree with me or not? Program. Suppose I am the developer, I am writing the code. My duty is over or not? My duty is not over. My duty is not over. What I may do? What I may do? Unit testing. What is that, ma? Unit testing. Are you agree with me? Unit testing. Anyone tell me what is unit testing? What is unit testing? I am writing a small module. I am writing a small module. This is whose duty? Development or developer duty. As a DevOps engineer, in future, you won't do anything. But as a DevOps engineer, you must know everything. Are understanding or not? Even I can write a program here, but you may or you may not. Why I am saying you may or you may not? Some people may know some coding knowledge, some people may not having coding knowledge. But my question is must having understanding knowledge. Understanding knowledge. Suppose if you are not having understanding knowledge, you are not fit for the industry. I am frankly saying, if you are not understandable, suppose something I am writing, you may say, sir, I don't at least even single word. You are not suitable for the DevOps engineer. But many people are joining as a DevOps engineer. They are managing the things. Managing the things. How they are managing? They are taking support. My intention, you don't want to take support, you try to learn the concepts. I will give in that way, you try to understand it. Suppose I am the developer, very first I am opening, something I am opening. Please try to understand. See, today our concept is Git, right? Are you understanding or not? Our concept is what, ma? Git. Git. Git is a open source tool. It is a open source tool. It is a open source tool. Git is a repository. Git is a repository. This is the technical term. How many of you know the meaning of repository at least? Maybe these four classes, those who are understood, try to respond. What is a repository? Repository means centralized knowledge. What is repository? Repository means centralized knowledge. You may ask, sir, what is the need of centralized knowledge? Assume you are working in ABC company. Assume this is the ABC company. I am giving the name for ABC company. Or otherwise, you may take Wipro, WIPR. Wipro is company is there or not? Respond anyone. Wipro is there or not? Wipro. In that Wipro, you are the developer one. Assume you are the developer one. Some other developer two. Some other developer three. Here for developer feeling, I am creating. This is the developer one. Here is the developer two. Here is developer three. Here three developers are. What generally they will do? They will write the code. I am writing my way. You are writing your way. Someone is writing some other way. But what they are doing? They are writing code on single file. They are writing code on single. My file name is test.java. My file name is test.java. In real time, 90% applications related to Java. Java only. If anyone say, no sir, I won't agree. Why? Java is that much of powerful, that much of popular. 90% applications related to Java. Remaining industry using only 10%. Only. Even in future, if you join in any one company, they may use Java related concepts. I'll give the clarification in that way. Assume you written test.java. Here assume I am writing like this. You are also modifying in this. You are also editing in this. Maybe possible or not possible. Today I am writing test.java. Tomorrow you may pull it. You may modify something. You may push it. Day after tomorrow, some other guy may pull it, may modify it, they may push it. Maybe possible or not. Anyone respond? Possible. Here in my local system, one test.java is there. One test.java. In your local system, one more test.java is there. Some other local system, some other test.java. Test.java. Here, how many test.javas are there? You may feel 3 test.javas are there. Really, there is no 3 test.javas are there. Here, one central repository is there. This contain one test.java. Only one test.java. But internally, it is having 3 members are modified, 3 members are pushed, right? That's why it internally having 3 versions. You may ask me, sir, how can I know versions? It maintains 3 commit IDs. Within 5 to 10 minutes, we'll see all these things. I am doing something, I am pushing. You are doing something, you are pushing. I may do something, I may push it. Where it is available, that is the central repository. What is the meaning of repository? I said centralized knowledge. This is the centralized knowledge. See, in our home, Birua is there. 5 members are there. Each member earning 10,000 rupees. 5 members, 5 times 50,000. Where they are placing? Please respond anyone. How many Biruas are there in our home? Only one Birua. Where we are placing those 50,000s? within the birva, maybe in top rack, I am placing my 10,000. In middle rack, you may place your 10,000. In bottom rack, someone place those 10,000. Maybe possible, right? Those are nothing but in future we may discuss. Those names are branches. You know, tree. Tree is also having branches, right? Same thing. Here also we can maintain branches. See, one team is using one branch, another team may using another branch. Here we may futurely we may use branching strategy. Branching strategy. What internally they follows? Already Markunda sir explained. Development branch, test branch. Anyone tell me? After development test, at least those who listen these 4 days properly. I said already, try to respond. Response is very, very important. Am I audible or not? In that way, at least respond.
Yes, sir.
Those who are new guys, you must respond. Those who are already, maybe 1 month back, someone joined, maybe 2 months back, already joined. Those no need to interact. They know already. They are very familiar. But if you are freshers, if you interact with me, that is very, very easy. Development branch, test branch, staging. Have you heard? Staging. That is nothing but R pre-production. What is the last one, ma? PROD. Prod or production. Prod, what is that? Final one is the production. See, these developers is developing something where they are placing their code only in development branch. But what they will do? They will test their application. They will test their application. Now, suppose today, what I want to do is, everybody, suppose if you are sitting in front of your system, how many of you sitting in front of your system? Please respond. How many of you sitting in front of your systems? Respond, my work is simple. If you are not responding, I'll go some other way. At least through chat window, try to type. Maybe who is sitting in front of your system? Some people sitting with mobiles. Are you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, anyway, I'll try to go with.
Yes, sir.
Please observe. I am opening my browser. You know how to open your browser, right? Everybody know, I think, how to open. A very simple thing, github.com. I think you know, right? How to type github.com, github.com. At least, is it easy or not? Github.com. I'm pressing enter. I'm pressing enter. Whenever you type in your system, you may get similar type of window, similar type of screen. Try to observe here. Whenever you get like this, if you are facing any difficulty, try to interact with me through phone call after completion of our class. I'll try to provide the guidance. Step one, what I did, anyone respond? What I provided on the window, URL, github.com. Step one is clear, right?
Github.com. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
What system is asking? Something. What it is visible here? Just go for new one. Just go for new. Click on new. What it is saying? New repository. Are you agree with me? New repository. Wait a minute. Just 1 second. Now, okay. What I am clicking? Each step I am explaining. Try to understand. If anybody having difficulty, try to interact with me. I am clicking new one. What system is expecting? Repository name. Repository name. I am taking April batch. APRILPATCH. April batch. What is my repository name? April batch. What is this? My account ID. My account ID. GitHub account. I tell you how to create it. How can I tell you? Maybe tomorrow I will ask you anyone. Please try to share your screen. In your system only I will create it. I will apply it. All the persons will get the clarity. Now what I am doing here? This is my GitHub ID. This is what our repo name. Centralized knowledge. This is our repo name. I hope till now clear. Right. See, our repository you need to create with public access or private access. As a learner, we should go for public. After 1 week or after 2 to 3 classes, I may go with private also. Private means others cannot access. Even simply we can say no one can access. Public means you know the meaning. Public property means anybody can access. You know, right? In Tirupati, municipal park is there. That is the public property or private property? Public property. Anyone can go or you can only go? Anyone can. Here we are the learner. We are learning both ways. We are learning both things. See. One more thing. See. Add a readme file. Add a readme. You may ask me, sir, what is readme file? Whatever you want to provide for public people, you need to type something here. According to a repository, according to your application details, where you are mentioning the name itself what? Readme. Some girl will give mobile number to me. That means what? Anyone respond? You can give missed call to me. You may try to. Maybe general call to me, or otherwise you may try to interact some other way also. You know, different ways. I don't know those ways. Many people know many ways. That's why in that way, what I am giving, read me. Create. What we are doing, create a repository. These things, who will take care? Company, people, in that company, manager will take care of. Generally, DevOps engineer will not do these things. This is not the DevOps engineer duty. Please remember, DevOps engineer never do such type of activities. Manager will do it. Manager got created. What is the repository name? Please respond. Repository name. April batch. Everybody know it. Even manager is writing something. Add file. Very first time, right? He is writing something. Create a new file. Create a new file. What is the file name? Assume manager given like this. Manager given like test.java. What he is giving? Test.java. This is the empty file. Assume manager, if you know the code, he can write, right? Manager don't know, but manager given the file name. Hey Lakshmi, I am giving file name test.java. You fulfill this completion of task. Try to complete our coding. Try to complete. Actually, I am the DevOps engineer. Generally, I won't write. But as a developer, I may write, right? As a developer, assume. We try to feel as a developer. We try to feel as a developer. Assume. What I am doing here, please try to understand. Simply, what it is there, observe here. Commit new file. Commit new file. What it is there, commit new file. What is the message given here? Check it and tell me. Create test.java. You can write your own message. I am leaving as it is. Commit. How many of you know the meaning of commit? At least try to respond. How many of you know Pokeri movie? Yes, sir. Online people. In that Pokeri, one word is there. I think try to tell the dialogue. Anyone? Those who knows. I think everybody have you seen Pokeri movie? In my way. Have you agree with me or not at least? Commit means save, Commit means save. Commit means save. Shall I click on that? Yes. It is committed. In this file, content is there or not? Tell me, please respond. Content is there or not? Please respond. No content. Only title is there. Only title is there. Everybody know it, right? Everybody know it. Till now, everybody got the clarity. Now, what I am doing is, assume this is central repository. Again and again, I am saying GitHub.com is nothing but what? Please try to remember. This is the central repo. Central repository. If internet is there, then only it will work now. If there is no internet, though, no use of this. If I switch off my internet, it won't work. I hope you understand. This is online. From anywhere in the world, you can access it. From anywhere in the world, you can access it. Even nowadays, work from home, everybody work from home. If you are doing work from home means this is the advantage. Which repo this is? Central repo. Central repo. Now I am closing. For your convenience, what I am doing? I am closing. What is my repository name? Again respond. April batch. What is my file name? Test.java. What is my file name? Test.java. Clear? Till now clear or not? Tell me. Now I am close. Must see, I am closing my GitHub. For your convenience, I am closing my GitHub. I can open my GitHub. See, check it. Just I close my GitHub. What I want to do is, in my local system, I am right clicking, just right clicking. In your laptop, if you are right clicking, show more, you click on that now. Knowingly, unknowingly, you people may get Git bash. But you may ask me, sir, in my system, Git bash is not visible. Maybe you may ask, maybe today night or maybe tomorrow morning. Anyway, what I am doing, my Git bash here. If it is visible for you in our local system, local Git is installed. What is that name? Local Git is installed. Shall I click on this? Yes, I am clicking. I'll tell you how to install also. Don't worry. Local Git is installed. I am maximizing the screen. See, system is giving something. Desktop, something it is giving. It is giving. For your understanding, someone created repository. Are you agree with me? What is the repo name? Please respond once again. April batch. What is the account name? That company account name is maybe something name was there, right? Now see, for that what I am doing is, I am reopening the browser window. Again, I am giving GitHub. GitHub.com. See, whenever I click on this, yes, see, show more is there. Show more. Check it. Somewhere April batch is there. Check it and tell me. Is it visible for you? Somewhere April batch. Or otherwise search here, Search here. AP. Alright. April batch. Where is that, Is it visible or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Again, I am clicking. April. Show more. April batch. Where is that name? Here. Are you understanding or not? I am opening it. See, whenever if you open this, somewhere code one option is there. My cursor is highlighting. That is in green color. Is it visible for you? Click here. What it is showing is the URL. You know the word URL. At least try to tell me what is the abbreviation of URL. URL. URL stands for Universal Resource Locator or Uniform Resource Locator. Both are synonymous words. Uniform Resource Locator or Universal Source Locator. See, no need to copy manually. See, whenever if I click here, what is doing? Copied. Whenever if I click here, copied. What I copied, anyone respond? What I copied, What I copied? You must say the technical word. What I copied here. URL is copied. Which URL? GitHub is the main one. Website name, domain name. Within that, my account name is Lakshmipati. What is my repo name? Aprilbatch.git. Now I am clicking here, copied. Once you copied, where you are moving, that is the local repo. Very first command, git clone. Here very easy. Maximum 20 commands or maybe 30 commands. 1 week I will tell you only these 20 commands. Per day I may give 5 commands. At least 4 into 5, 20. Remaining 3 to 4 days I will explain the concepts. Git clone. Is it easy or complex? Remembering. Git clone space. What I am pasting here? URL. My first command, git is the keyword. Clone is also keyword. What I am giving here? Repo URL. This URL created by me or company people. Try to interact with me. The Wipro related company, that company having one manager, that manager got created this. Manager is providing for me. Hey Lakshmi, take this URL. You try to utilize this. You may ask, sir, whenever if you use git clone, I am cloning from central to local ma. From central to local. You may ask me, sir, really is it clone? Try to give LLM. LL stands for long list. LL stands for long list. Try to repeat yourself, but don't louder pronounce. Why? You can understand. LL stands for long list. Check it. Here so many things are there. Why? I applied on my desktop, right? In desktop, so many things are there. In that, what is our actual repo number? April batch, right? April batch. See, LL, AP star I am giving. AP star, LL, AP star. What it is showing? Somewhere it is showing or not? Not showing, right? Where is the April batch? April batch test Java. Did we get April or not? No, right? No. Now check it. Somewhere LL, April is there, right? Or not? Observe and tell me. I am reducing the size. This is very important. Check it and tell me. Somewhere our April batch name is there. Check it and tell me. I cloned my April only, right? Are you agree with me or not? Where is that? My April batch is visible for you or not? Clear or not? At least tell me. April. You may ask me, sir, how can you enter this CD change directory AP change into April batch? Enter it. Now check it LL. Now everybody observe and tell me readme.md already we got selected. Are you agree with me or not? Please respond. Readme.md at the time of creating a repository, have we selected or not? Am I selected or not? Respond yes or no. Am I audible or not?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Am I audible, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Grishma, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
I think I am not getting your voice, ma. Why? I think Shravani is also talking.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shivaji,
Sir.
are you getting my voice, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now see. Now see here, I am going to local repo. Here, you try to understand. Till now what I did. Okay, try to respond. This is at the time of creating repo, I got selected. After that, manager written only empty file. Manager interact with me through phone call or through email. Hey Lakshmi, I given one file name. This is the standard naming convention for our company. In that file, you try to fulfill code. They given one task for me. Assume they given one task. What you want to fulfill? He said to me, you want to print welcome message. You want to print welcome message through Java code. Through Java code. See, notepad. Notepad. What is the file name? Anyone respond? Test.java.
Java.
Shall I press enter? Yes. See, automatically I am getting notepad. I am getting notepad. In that notepad, if you want, I can increase the font. See, public class test. As a DevOps engineer, no need to learn all these things. But what I said, try to understand these things. Open curly brace, closing curly brace. This is the Java code, already you know Java. Try to understand, try to remember, or otherwise try to understand and leave it. Public, static, void main, string. In company code, same thing is there. Some people may ask, sir, what is real time? In real time, some thousands of lines are there. Here I may write only hundreds of lines. But I am only writing. Others cannot write. Others can copy paste now. Even if you ask Markonda sir also will copy paste because of his real time employee, right? Real time employees, they can copy paste. Even I may also do sometimes, but for your understanding sake, I am doing this from the scratch. If from the scratch level, if you learn it, your learning is very easy. That is my intention. System.out.println. Here, according to our manager, what he said, welcome to Java. He wants to print like that. See, this is the beginning of the method, closing of the method. Beginning of the class, closing of the class. Just I am closing like this. Save. Nothing is there. He developed something. After developing, he want to test, right? Are you agree with me or not? He won't upload. He won't push it, He never push. When he will push, please respond. After testing. You may ask me, sir, tester will test, right? Tester will test a different testing, I'll tell you that too also. Those who are developing the code, they will only test. That testing is nothing but unit testing. Which testing, Unit testing. I am doing unit testing. You may ask me, sir, how can you do Java C? Anyone knows, try to tell me what is Java C stands for. If you don't know, I tell you, don't worry. Java compiler. I want to do compilation. In one interview, they asked me, what is compilation? What is compilation? First, I am doing compilation, then I will explain compile. Test. Check it. Is it compiled or not? If nothing is getting means compiled. See, I'll do small modification. What I want to do? I am removing semicolon. Alt F4. Enter it. Now again same command I am giving. Java C. Check it and tell me what system is saying. What it is saying clearly in line 5. What is the error? Hey, you missed semicolon. System will say, I know. You did something in that you missed semicolon. If you do it, if you complete it, then only you will compile. Shall we go and modify? Yes. I am going and modify. This is the way learning of coding. I think Markonda sir said, in this batch, we'll give Python 3. Nearly 15 classes I will provide for you, because of as a DevOps engineer, you must know Python. No need to learn Java. Assume. Unfortunately, I am not the developer. I am the DevOps engineer. My manager has given that code. At the time of writing, what I did, in place of capital S, what I did? Small s. Alt F4. I am telling the pitfalls. Again, I am compiling. What system is saying? Somewhere it is giving cap. Cap symbol means something goes wrong. System is giving package system does not exist. What does it mean? A small system is not exist. Capital system is exist. If you know it, you do it. Otherwise, leave it. Who is saying? System is saying. For that, we know, right? That's why we are modifying. We know we are modifying. We know we are modifying. We know we are modifying. How to modify this? How to modify this? You know, just the capital, yes, capital, yes. Alt F4, Alt F4, enter it. Now tell me how to compile this. Java C, test.java. Okay. As a developer, I did which testing, ma? Please respond anyone. Which testing I did? Unit testing. After completion of my testing, I want to see my output, right? Java, Java space, Java space, test.java. Java space, Java space, test. Java space, test. Observe carefully. What is the output am I getting? Anyone respond? What is the output I am getting? Welcome to Java.
Welcome to Java.
Got it or not? In real time, every day, assume you are the developer, you may do like this. Once it is perfect, once you feel this is perfect, what you will do generally, you may do 3 commands. You may apply 3 commands. How to apply these 3 commands? I will try to apply here. I'll explain. Git add. Git add space. Which file you want to add? Tell me. What is your file you develop? What is the file have you developed? Tell me. What is the file have you developed? Respond. Based on our response, I'll try to explain clearly. Git add test.java. Test.java. After that, git commit. Commit -m. I'm giving test.java. Test.java. Test.java is created. Created. Okay. After that, what I am doing, observe clearly. Git push. Simply I am pressing enter. Observe what happening. Git push enter. I am not doing anything. Simply I am giving git push. So something happened. As a learner, so much confusion is there. After these 3 steps, I will try to explain. See, once in one local repo, I developed something, I tested something, everything is perfect, everything is fine. Simply what I did, what is the command I may use? Anyone respond? What was the command I used here? Git push only. Whenever if I push it, it will moving to from local to central. You may ask me, sir, can you show me? Yes, I am showing for you. See, I am refreshing. You know the word how to refresh. You know F5, right? F5. Oh, 1 minute ago, something happened. You don't know what happened, right? You want to see? Double tap. Double tap. Now check it and tell. Every day, every minute, every second in company people, they are doing same strategy. I am doing night shift is there. I may do my night activities. I am in day shift. I may do my day activities. Only coding related things, right? Are you agree with me or not? Okay. Some other developer assume, some other developer, they want to pull it, right? They want to pull it. Maybe possible or not possible. Or agree with me or not?
Possible.
Suppose I am you are the developer, you are the what you may do. I'll try to clarify you. Again, I am clicking April batch. You are the new developer. You are the new developer. You join tomorrow. So today I did something right. You join tomorrow in my company. In my company. For you also, what they are giving, this URL they are giving. This URL they are giving. Assume this is your laptop. This is your laptop. May for your convenience, what I am doing is I am going to specific drive. Windows key, everybody know it. C drive, D drive, E drive. You tell me, shall I choose D drive or E drive? Mas Ravani, try to interact with me.
No. Yeah, tomorrow like
Yes, sir.
exclamation matrix is also there.
Yes, sir.
This one exclamation matrix there. I don't know who's taking the exclamation matrix. Who's explaining?
But somebody has given you the invite, no?
Mas Ravani,
Yes, sir.
Okay. You know,
Oh,
Yeah,
APAR capital deposit.
writing on that.
It's sir, ICAR is.
in your home, those sounds,
No, sir.
okay. Someone is, I think, somewhere I am getting noise. Who is that other than you? Only my voice only. Right. Okay. What I am asking to you is, shall I choose which drive? Those key? You tell me. Any other drive? Assume D drive or E drive? Based on your response, I can go through it.
D
D drive.
drives.
D drive. Within D drive, right click I am giving. Just I am creating a new folder. New folder. Assume it is the folder name is Ravani.
Okay.
SRAVAM. In that folder, click here, double click. Here I am clicking right click, show more. Again, Git bash. In our system also, that Git is installed as well. Git is installed.
Okay.
Now, Git clone, Git clone.
Click
You
here.
know, your repository. That means URL company people are providing, right? Just paste it. You
Yes.
don't know what they are providing. They given one link, they given one URL. Just you are pressing enter. My boy is some other who is Shivaji.
Sir,
Okay.
I'm getting noise from your side. I don't know why. If you want to interact with
now,
me,
sir.
that your mic is on. Try to
Baba.
mute it. Okay, good, Shivaji. Really, if you want to interact with me, call me, sir. Try to interact with me, no problem. Okay, thank you. Now I'm interacting with Shravani. Where we are in Shravani? We are in D drive, right? We are in
Yes.
D drive. Good. Now,
Click
am
on
I provided, right? Yes. Check it, LL.
LL.
What is our repo name? Repo is common for you or repo is different from you? Please respond.
Common.
Company repo in one project. This is the project name. This is the project name. Assume
Okay.
repository name is project name. Assume I am the Lakshmi. I written something. You are the Sravani. You are importing something. How to import it?
Yes, sir.
I tell. Suppose LL CD April batch. Now C LL test.java. I am also getting test.java. You also got it test.java. You may have a doubt. Sir, am I getting have you written code? Yes. Check it. cat test.java. Check it. This is the reality. This is the advantage of Git repository. I written something somewhere else. I am sitting in Bombay. I written my code. I uploaded. I pushed into our repository. You are sitting in Andhra Pradesh. You are importing. You are cloning. Is it possible or not? Yes. Now what are you doing
Yes, sir.
is company manager told me, Mas Ravani, you updated. Don't maybe Lakshmi given welcome to Java. Don't do it. Welcome to Git. Shravani, you want to complete,
Yes.
welcome to Git. And now guide me, ma. How can I edit this? How can I edit this according to your way?
Uh, Notepad.
Notepad, good. Now guide me, Notepad. I don't know, assume Notepad. What is the name, ma? TE tab, ma. TE tab. Okay, open. Is it
Spelling
open?
mistake.
Spelling
Spelling
mistake.
mistake? N-O, what I did, ma? N-O-T-E,
No.
P-A-D, P-A-D. Yes,
Pad.
good. Now automatically, what happened? Open. Now try to modify this code. Where I want to modify? I want to modify
Welcome to
in
GitHub.
place of
Java.
Java,
Remove.
I am replacing
I
with
want to
yes,
GitHub.
Git only, Git only. That's all. After that,
Okay.
Alt F4, right? Closing this.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me ma, how to compile this.
Java C.
Very good. Java C
Test chart Java.
test.java. Good.
Sure.
Now how to run ma? How to do unit testing in your way? You will also check it, right? Really, is it working or
Yes.
not? Yes, you will
Yes.
check it.
Unit
How to check
test.
it, ma? Java. How to check it? Java.
Java.
Java. Java. Java. And now tell me. Test.
Java
Test.
tester. Java test. Welcome to Git.
Got it right? Now
Yes, sir.
what you want to do? You want to push it. Now guide me. If you want to push it,
Git
what are the modifications you want to do? Tell me now. I did already, but many people don't know. Even I didn't explain properly. I'll try to explain. I'll try to explain. Don't worry. If you know it, you try to tell me how to push this. Maybe some people may feel, sir, please give directly git push man. What happens? Tell me. Fonts. It will push it or not?
yes, sir.
Is it push? No, right? Everything up to date. Everything up to date means not doing, not doing. Now you check it. You may feel this is pushed, right? Now I am going to my
Yes,
screen.
sir.
My screen in the sense, this is Lakshmi, right? This is Lakshmi. Now check it. I may use git pull. I may use git pull. Is it pulled, right? Already up to date. Cat. Tell me, what is the file name? Test.java.
Test.java.
What it is there, ma? Check it and tell me, ma.
Welcome to Java.
I did maybe 5 minutes back. You did only 1 minute back. I uploaded. Uploaded means I pushed. Actually, is it pushed or not? My way, not pushed. But your way, what you understood? Oh, it is pushed, sir. Not right? If you want to push it, what you will do? Again, git add dot. Again, git commit hyphen m, which is modified. Test.java is modified. Are you agree with me or not?
Yes, sir.
Modified. Once it is, see, two file changed, one insertion, one deletion. Mas Ravani, what is inserted? It is
Yes,
inserted.
it's a
What
Git
is
is
deleted?
inserted.
What is
Java is
deleted?
deleted.
Java is deleted. Now where it is did everything, where happen? Where happen
Test.java.
everything? Test
Test.java.
dot. Got it. Now what I am doing, ma? Git push. That's all. Now check it. Who did? Shravani did. After Shravani did, Lakshmi, what Lakshmi is doing? Suppose here observe. What he is doing? Git pull. Till now you don't know what is put, what is full, but we are understanding. We are understanding. See, please move or remove the before. You maybe see, check it. What is what you want to do? Git. What is that? Cat, right? Cat. What is the cat? Test
Git
dot.
test.java.
Test dot Java. Dot Java.
Test.java.
Am I getting anything? No, right? You are the different developer. I am the different developer. You are the different developer. I am the different developer. What I want to do it. Now we'll try to apply git match, git match,
Okay.
match. Already up to date it is giving, right? This is whose screen, ma? Your screen or my screen? This is Ravani's
Shravani.
screen. Okay,
My screens.
my screen. I am going to my screen once. First we'll check it
Okay.
here, ma. We'll check it in the central repo. Central repo. First we'll go to central. Central, where I am in. This one, right? Now
Yes.
just refresh it. Refresh it. Once refresh it, I'll go to. Now Git is clear, right? Here Git is there. Here Git is there. Got it or not?
Yes.
Now what I want to do is, again I am in this who's Ravani, right? I am going to my script. Now git fetch. After fetching, git merge. Merge MERG spelling correct, right? Updating. It is trying to update it. We'll check it. Git. What about? What is the code, right? Cat, right? Cat
Test.java.
test.java. Actually, I want to get not getting, not getting. It is not updated properly. Not updated properly. It means git full only. Git full. First try it, man. Git remove rem remove. I think you want it. Just tell it. What is the problem here? Test.java. Test.java. Only correct also. Is it forming or yes? Updating correct only. Please move or remove. Then before you mix. Before you mix. We'll try it. Get push origin ORIG. Something conflict has occurred. I'll tell you what is the conflict. In the same within the system, two windows I opened, right? That is the problem. Huh? Within the single system, I opened two windows. Actually, if you open in your home, that is not a problem. First, I am
Okay.
closing this, your window. I am trying to assume you did something, right? After
Yes.
doing something, again I'll try to. First, I am closing my, try to understand. I am
Yes.
closing, reopening. Here, everything is fine, right? Just
Yes, sir.
refresh it. Once refresh, here Git is there. Even for your convenience, I am closing. Now, after this, I am reopening GitHub. GitHub.
Okay.
GitHub.
GitHub.com.
Now we are going to our repository. You know our repository name
April
is
batch.
APRILBACH. Got it.
Batch.
Now try to take this URL. Now assume I am opening in my system. You know in my system means in my desktop, assume in my desktop or somewhere else in my desktop, or otherwise I am going to E drive. Otherwise I am going to E drive. See Windows key E, or what I did here somewhere I opened, right? In here only I think here only somewhere where I did I think here only, right? Right click, go to show more. You know Git bash. Now see CD April batch. Now you know it. Now check it. Now check it. LL. Now Java. What about cat, right? cat test dot
Test.java.
Java. Not modified, right? Not modified. Not modified. Content wants to modify. Content wants to modify. Okay. Why it is not modifying? First, I'll remove this one. Somewhere it is there. Check it where it is there. In desktop only, right? In desktop, or otherwise simply again I am going to here. This is the one-time activity process. Git bash. Okay. Now rm hyphen rf April batch. I removed everything. What I am doing is git clone ma. Git clone. You know it. Git clone. What is the URL ma? Right click, paste it. I hope you know. Now check it. You may get up to date. Now check it. Even where I did here only, right? CD. What is that? April batch, right? Yes. Now LL. Now cat. What is the name? Test.java. I am maximizing. I'm increasing the font. Test.java. Now check it. Are you getting or not? Have you got it or not?
Yes, sir.
Now, what happening internally? We'll try to understand. Now see, I am going to paint it. Here, assume this is the central repo. You know the terminals. This is total thing is nothing but local repo. One is the central repo, another one is the local repo. What central repo having? What is the repository name? Once again, respond anyone. What is the
April
repo?
batch.
April APRILBACH. In that, what is the file name? Two files we are having. File one,
Test.java.
test.java. What is that?
Test.java.
Very good. Test.java.
Test.java.
Readme, right? Second one. Readme.
Readme.
Readme dot. Readme dot something, right? MD ma. How many of you know MD abbreviation? Markdown. This is also an interview they asked. What is the MD stands for? Markdown. Markdown means you note down something here. That is the meaning. Markdown. Till now clear. As a professional, as a programmer, I am cloning. What is the command I am using? Please respond. What is the git clone command? Respond anyone? Git clone URL simply
URL.
URL. Or agree with me? Once if I
Yes.
use like this, what happening here? Please try to understand what happening here. Suppose if I use like this, something here I can do it. What it is getting in the sense, here this area is divided into three parts. This area is divided into three parts. What is the first part? Try to understand. This is one area. This is another area. This is one more area. In local system, having three parts. I'll tell you what are the three parts. In local system, we're having three parts. What is the first part? What is the first part? Working directory, working area, or working directory. Anyone we can call working area or working directory. This is nothing but staging or index area. Indexing. Terminology is common. Some people may call staging. Some people may call, spelling mistake, right? STAGING. Staging area or indexing area. This is nothing but local repo. Local repo. Please understand, local repo means .git. Local repo means .git. In this terminology, anybody having any doubt, please respond. Working area, staging area, or indexing area, or local repo. Till now, clear or not? I created one file. What is the file I created? Assume test.java. Test.java. What is the command generally you may use? touch touch test.java. I am giving test.java. I'll create one more file also. This is nothing but working directory. I'll go and create it. Observe here. Touch touch SRAVANI. I am giving the file name Sravani. I created one file. What is the file I created? Here is the touch touch SRAVAN. In that file, you may ask me, sir, I want to store welcome. Shall I do it? Yes. cat greater than SRAVAN. Welcome. Control D command. Keep on listening. You can understand very easily. See, again cat SRAVAN. Check it. Shravan is the file containing what is the content? Welcome. This content, where it is available? In working directory. How can I tell it? Git status. I want to know status. This is untracked files. What is the heading? Untracked files. You may ask me, sir, in this area, what is the untracked area? Please observe. I am dividing into two parts. See, this is nothing but untracked area. Untracked. You may know what is the opposite of untracked
Tracked area.
Tracked area, that's all. Tracked. Till now clear? Everything is an untracked. I want to move to tracked. Within the tracked, where I want to move, please respond. You may ask me, sir, you may tell from here to here. But Shravani may ask me, sir, I want to go directly from here to here. Do you know? Is it possible? Control Z. If Shravani may ask me, sir, shall I go to here? There is no way, we should go away. I think you know the meaning. From where to where I can go, Shravani? From
Staging.
untracked to tracked. But in untracked, where I am in working area, I want to move to where? Staging. You may ask me, sir, if I want to move to staging, what is the command? Simple command, the command name is git add. Git add. Wherever, whenever, if you are using add, where it will move, please respond. Where it will move? Staging. Now assume git add, I may use dot. Suppose if I use dot, these two will move. If I use file content, that specific file will move. Now see, I am trying to give one more file. touch. I am giving Ramesh is there, right? RAMESH. Ramesh. Now see, nothing is there. Git status. Now tell me stat status. What it is saying, Shravani? Ramesh file, Shravani file, both are in untracked. Are you agree with me?
Yes.
I want to
Yes,
move
sir.
Shravani only. I want to move to staging. Git add SR Shravani. Now take it. Git status. Git status. Now tell me. Shravani is in green color. Ramesh is in red color. If you are in red, untracked. If you are in green, tell me
Tracked.
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 Even that too where staged or
Staging.
no.
Staging.
Staging only. Only staging. Are you agree with me? Shravani may ask me, sir, this staging, I want to move to local repo. I want to move to local repo. Observe ma. I am in Git add. I given. After that, what I given here? SRAVANI. Are you agree with me or not? Yes.
Yes.
It is moving to here. This one, I want to move to here. How can I move? Simple command. Simple command. The command name is git commit -m. Shravani may ask me, sir, I understood git. I understood commit. What is M stands for? M stands for message. M stands for message. M stands for meaningful message. What I want to give? Okay, added SRAVANI. Shravani file. Is it meaningful or not? Tell me. What I did? What I did? I added. What I did? I added one file. What is the file I am adding?
Shravani.
Shravani file. Shall we go for that, ma? Yes. Git. Tell me, ma. Git commit. Hyphen M.
Commit.
Git commit hyphen M. What is the file name added? Shravani.
Shravani.
SRAVAN. Shravani file is added. Till now clear, I think. Now you may ask me, sir, how can I know this? How can I know this? See, ma, Git status. See, here Shravani is visible for you or not? Tell me. Here Shravani is visible for you or not? Tell me. Oh, no. No means what? Oh, it is moving from where to where? Tell me. From working to staging. From staging to local repo. Shravani may ask me. I want to see it is saved in local repo. How can I see? Create git log ma. Git log. Observe Shravani. Somewhere what it is there? Somewhere at top Shravani file is added. Shravani file is added. This is tracking. This is tracking. How can I track? If I want to track your details, what is the command? Please respond here. What is the command?
Git log.
Now I am concluding ma. Today what we discussed. Tomorrow we'll continue. Today what we discussed. Now please respond. Anyone can try to interact with me. What are the commands we applied? Very first command, git clone.
Clone.
Very good. What is the second command? Git.
Git.
Next.
LL.
Very good. LL stands for anyone?
Long list, sir.
Long list.
Long list.
Long list. Super. Next. Even git push also user super. Next.
Push.
Git. Any other command? Git. I am user RM or Git RM? Am I user? Please respond. Only RM or Git RM? RM. Anyone can tell me what is the RM represents? RM. Very good. REMOV. Remove. Super. Next.
Cat.
Very good. Cat. Excellent. Next. Git add. Am I user or not? Didn't tell many people. After git add. Git
Commit.
commit. COMMIT.
Git
Next.
commit -m.
Hyphen M. Okay. M represents anyone. What is M stands for?
Message.
Very
Message.
good. Message. Super. Next. Some more. One or two commands are there. Please respond.
Notepad.
Notepad is the keyword. Ma? Okay, that is not belongs to any other. One more is there, I think. Git pull also am a user or not?
Yes.
Git pull I use. Git status ma. Didn't tell anyone.
Git status.
Git status.
What does it mean? Anyone respond? What it will show? What it will provide?
Whether it added in tracked or not.
Tracked or not.
Where you are in. Where you are in the sense, please respond. Untracked.
Tracked
Or staged. Or
staged.
staged. ST. Got it or not? Excellent.
Okay.
Next, one more command I said, I think. Git log ma. Git log.
Git
The
log.
last command, right? What it will provide?
Yes.
Anyone tell me?
Whether
See,
it is saved in local
commit
repo.
IDs. Commit
Commit
IDs.
IDs.
That is the tracking. Tracking. What is the tracking? You are in which repo? Local repo or not?
Local repo.
Simply we can say commit IDs. Simply we can say commit IDs.
Committed.
Now I think how many knowingly, unknowingly, see 1, 2, 3, 4,
10, sir.
5, 10 commands. Within
10
1
commands.
hour, we learned 10 commands. Now see,
Sir,
by
what is cat, sir? Please.
no, I'll tell you. I'll tell you. See the word, man. CAT, cat. Concatenation. Concatenation. You know the meaning. Try to understand.
Concatenation.
Concatenation. You may ask me, sir, even I am not understand. Got it, ma? CAT cat greater than file name, one command. CAT cat double greater than file name, another command. CAT cat less than file name, one more command. Please try to understand. What is the difference? This is the output redirection. This is also output redirection. This is what? Input redirection. You know what is the opposite of output? Input. What is the opposite of input? Output. Till now, clear or not? Tell me.
Yes.
Shravani, you may ask me like that. Sir, CAT cat greater than SRA. Oh, welcome to Shravani. Control D, ma. Control D. Good. Now cat less than SRA. What it is doing? Tell me. Oh, something you added to my file, sir. Those content I am viewing. Display. Got it or not? You may ask me. Sir, I want to update. I want to override. Ma, CAT cat again greater than SRA. I am giving Lakshmi now. Now control D. Now check it. Cat SRA. What happening, Shravani? Content is override. Override means, oh, in place of Shravani, removing Shravani content, it is adding Lakshmi content. You may ask me, sir, not like that. After Lakshmi must be there. I want to add welcome to Shravani. See cat, double greater than SRE. Welcome to Shravani. Now control it. Now check it and tell me. In real time, in companies, they are using double greater than. You may understand why. Now check it and tell me. What is the advantage, ma? I written something in my Java code. You may added something. You may modified something. That too I may get or I won't get that. Please respond anyone.
That too, both.
Everyday updations must having. Masima. Cat with SRA same. Cat with less than SRA, both are same. There is no difference, ma. Industry people, they may feel something. Oh, these two are two different commands. There is no difference. This one, I am writing here, ORR. Again, CAT cat tell me, less than file. Now I am giving the meanings now. This is what it is doing. Overwrite. Are you agree with me or not? Overwrite. What does it mean? Append. How many of you know the meaning of append? Append means adding something to existing. Are you agree with me or not?
Yes.
Only
Yes,
to display the content, to view the content. To view the content. What is the command? Cat with file name or cat with less than file name. What is the technical meaning of less than? Please respond. How many of you respond, please? What is the greater than? What is the double greater than? What is the less than? Shravani, you tell me.
Override, sir.
Override. Technical meaning. This is output redirection with override. You should tell. Output redirection with override. What does it mean? Output redirection with what is the append? Appending means attaching at the end. What does it mean? Input redirection with the display.
Direction with display.
Display. Till now clear? Everyone try to remember these words. Try to remember. At least keep on doing. Every command you must do minimum 100 times. After 3 months, job will come to you. You no need to go. Till now clear? Anybody having any doubt till now? Remaining things will continue tomorrow at the same time. Anybody having any doubt? I think no. I can do similar things tomorrow also. Maybe day after tomorrow, similar things. Last, at the last, simple touch. Git I am giving. Now count it. Anyone can count it. These commands, ma? Anyone can count it. Please count these commands. I think is it visible for you? Please count all these commands. 2, 4, 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 7. 12 plus 7.
19,
19. 19 plus 3.
22.
22.
These 22 commands completed. We know very well about Git. I will give each and every command. Even if you say, sir, this command I don't want, I will give. Because of this is the subject. If you know all these commands, automatically you know the Git. Are you agree with me or not?
Yes.
If I say here and there, you may ask me, sir, you didn't give grep command, sir. You didn't tell log command, sir. Ma, even check it and tell me, ma, here. How many commands am I used here? Please respond here at least. Clone am I
Clone.
used or not?
No.
Yes.
Yes,
We
sir.
don't know till now. We don't know till now. Are you agree with me or not? We don't know till now init. I didn't use init. You may say, I used, sir. I didn't use, but you may use it or not. I don't know. Today, am I used or not? Please respond.
No. Sir.
No.
No, sir. You can use only clone.
Knowingly, unknowingly, am I user or not? Add,
No.
Yes.
Add use. Yes, sir.
remove ma, at least RM I used. RM I used. Hit RM,
Yes, sir.
I didn't use, but RM I used. Okay. Even see, log I used. Log I used.
Status.
And each area at
Status.
least git commit I used. Git commit I used.
Merge also.
Merge.
Merge. Where is the merge ma? Where is the merge?
Merge. Commit down, sir. Commit.
Commit down. Okay, good.
Commit.
See, nearly 50% commands within 1 hour I use. I may continue only nearly 7 hours. I'll tell you, ma. I think you know how much subject we will learn. Got the clarity?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Remaining things will. Ma, everybody try to install it, ma. Maybe tomorrow afternoon. Ma, 2 to 3, ma. 2 to 3. I may be in online in the same group, in the same. What about? What is this? I forgot the name. This meet, this Google Meet, I may connect tomorrow afternoon, 2 to 3. Why I am connecting? You must open your system. You try to share your system. You try to install Git Hub account and you try to install Git Bash. Okay. Even
Okay, sir.
you try to create your own account. I think sometimes may not possible. Tomorrow 2 to 3 class, I'll tell you how to do these activities. Okay, I'll take your system, try to share
Okay,
your
sir.
system. I'll tell you step by step process. You try to install it. If you are local, you try to come at 10 o'clock to our institution. I think you know. If you are local, try to complete your installation process. Here it may complete within 10 minutes. If you are in online, it may take for at least half an hour. If you are coming to offline, it may complete within 10 minutes. Okay, both facilities are available. If possible, try to come to offline. Where it is offline, I think many people know it, right? Opposite Sridevi Complex, Dodapuram State. Their BDR Solutions. One institution name is that. Within that, I will be available every day morning 10 to 12:30. Every day evening 4 to 6:30. 4 to 7 maybe. 4 to 7 generally. Because of 7 to 8 our class is there, right? That's why I may not be available in that class time. Because of I may be available with you, right? Thank you. Remaining things we'll discuss tomorrow morning. Okay.